everyone. We're back again. We're back again in Banff. I'm with Mom. It's her birthday, continuation birthday celebration in Banff. We're all covered up. Yeah, it's quite windy today. It's chilly. Yeah, it's Mom. So we're just walking around Banff town and then going to Bow Falls. Because there's a trail or a walk pathway that goes to the Bow Falls. So you can just like walk there. Alright, I'll just show you around. Excuse my hair. Yeah, so it was Mom's birthday yesterday and now we're continuing celebrating it today. Just, you know, treating her for a walk here in Banff. Because, you know, what else can you ask for Banff? It's just going for a walk here is just amazing. It's very serene. There's a lot of people today. I'm very surprised. So yeah, parking lot was so full. So we have to like probably drive like 5 minutes just to look for a parking spot. So yeah, I'll show you around. We're just heading to Bow Falls on this trail. We can go over there. Because that trail that's going up, we don't want to risk it because it's slippery. Mom wouldn't like that at all. So we'll use this. So I have a question for you guys. If you're watching this video, how many are you visited Banff? Comment down below because I'm really curious. And where did you go or visited? Did you went to Johnson Canyon, Lake Minnewanka, or did you do the gondola? Yeah, I'm curious to know. So yeah, I've been visiting Banff for so many years now, and it's like, I don't know what's in English. Hindi nagsasawa. I'll translate that in English. Yeah, hindi ako nagsasawang pumunta dito because the whole place is just so majestic and magical. So mom is attempting to lay down on the snow and make snow angels even though she's not wearing the right clothing. Okay.
I just want to try.
Yeah, give it a try.
Wait.
Okay, look at her. You want a picture or a video? Okay. Alright, I'm ready for you.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Look at her. It's not even a soft snow. Oh my god. Look at this.
Wow!
She's...
Sitting on the snow.
Yes!
At last.
Yes.
Yes.
At last!
At my 58 years.
58 years, she did it. She did it.
It's a challenge with me since I came here. I haven't tried it. So
She
now
hasn't, yeah.
I made
It's
it.
it's one of her bucket lists.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're going. Oh, okay, we're going back to the original pathway. Okay. Oh, that's just nice. Perfect. Because we're supposed to come down there and then use this pathway here to get to the waterfalls. So still pretty good. So I hope this part over here is not as challenging as the other one. Oh my god, it's so nice. Hey. Oh, this should not be bad. Fresh air. Hey, I brushed my teeth, so should be okay. Yeah, you see me? I'm smiling because I'm here in Banff. This place makes me so happy and relax. Ah, amazing. Holy, holy. I'll show you what I'm seeing right now. didn't know that you can see the famous Vermont Hotel over here. Even just like the tiny portion of the hotel gives me goosebumps. It's so nice, so pretty. We're not gonna go down there because it's really steep, and we're not wearing any spikes. So we're just gonna leave it and stay here and enjoy the view. Okay. Yeah. Vermont Hotel. So nice. And this is my view. View of Banff. So that's it for our trip today. So I hope you guys like that, because I will upload this probably sometime soon. So go check out my other vlogs, Vancouver vlogs. I posted that recently, and I'll put a link there. We've put the link there. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below, because I want to know your opinion of my videos since I'm starting to do this vlogs. So yeah, I hope you have a good day and make good choices. Bye.